Hello and welcome to this brand new Gunpla Network broadcast. Like always, let's start with the news. A brand new P-Bandai has been revealed, and it's the fabulous HG Zaku II Kai. The kit will be released in May 2017 and will be sold for 1,512 yens. We continue with the brand new HG Astray gold frame Amatsu mina that will be released this month. The kit will be sold for 3,240 yens. A new RX-78-2 will be released this month. This time, it's the one based around the origin animated series and mangas. The kit will be sold for 6,048 yens and will come with 2 LED units, one yellow and another one pink. We round up the news with the male build Astray Red Frame Kai. Bandai released their first image of the kit on the internet and it looked glorious. That's what you get for 23,000 yen. You can grab it in September 2017. And let's end the broadcast with the top builds of the week. In 5th place this week, the custom HG Zaku II Kai by Mod Resolve. In 4th place, the AC Guy by Joe. In 3rd place, the Mobile Workers Cold Strike Unit 03 Diorama by Turan Custom Work. In 2nd place, the Xeon RX-78 CA Diorama by Chris MG. And in 1st place, the custom paint Cushion Full City by Lincoln Wright. So that was it for this week's broadcast. Follow us on YouTube or Facebook, and for anything Gunpla related, stay connected to the Gunpla Network.